Hi, and welcome to this short demonstration on how to import the trial balance from Zoho Books into Nomi. Step 1 is to ensure that under Settings and then Integrations that Zoho Books has been authorized. You can do this by clicking the Connect button or you can press Reauthorize. Typically it will get you to sign into Zoho Books, but as I've already signed in, it just brings me straight to the Accept option. You press Accept, and then that grants Nomi access to Zoho Books. Once this has been completed, you go to the desired client that you wish to import for. You go to the Final Accounts section, Advisor Tools, Trial Balance Entry, and then under Import Trial Balance, you make sure that it's selected to Zoho Books, and then Import. Now this is first generation mapping, so it's not perfect and it doesn't get it right every time, but you do have the option to manually enter to ensure that it's correct. It will bring up whether or not it's going to the balance sheet or the profit or loss, the debit or credit amount, and it gives you the option to add a description. And it's done. One thing to note is that the name in Nomi of the client has to exactly match the name of the client in Zoho.